I'm Lily Z. I wanted to show you our latest project. I was contacted by my clients Howard and Joe to sort of bring in a little bit of flair and personality into a period townhome in Chevy Chase. So the house was very old school. There was a lot of original molding, not painted, sort of unfinished. So we wanted to bring a little bit of drama with some black railing. We replaced the carpet with a fun graphic runner and brought in some wallpaper and some nice modern lighting with a little bit of color so that we can have a little bit of fun in here. We added a little bit of jazz here with the sconces in the hallway. They have these little cute beetles at the bottom of it. It all was really showing the personality of our client Joe, who's very eclectic and fun and stylish. So that's what we wanted when he comes home, to see all this fun, stylish foyer. Let me take you into the living room next. So here we are in the living room. Joe showed me an inspiration picture of a Fruit Loops cereal box that he wanted to be inspired by the colors in his living room design. So we really went for some very bold, saturated colors. We wanted to really highlight the blue tones, which you can clearly see we've done. We added some beautiful features on the ceiling, adding the wainscoting and doing a lacquer teal color all around. We replaced the tile hearth on the fireplace. Joe brought in an art piece from a Californian skateboard artist, which was a lot of fun and added a lot more color into the space. So it's just a room to kind of relax and feel like you're by the poolside. All right, let's go see the dining room next. So here we are in the dining room. We wanted to bring a lot of attention to the ceilings because we had great ceiling height in here. So we created this wood slat bridge to bring everybody's eyes up. We also added a Colin Sun wallpaper that had a beautiful cloud effect on it so people could feel like they're standing under a skyline. Every room in this house was inspired by a different shade of blue, and so we're in the navy room right now. You'll see a little bit of touches of blues in every part of the room as we travel through the house. And let's go check out the next space. Here we are in Howard and Joe's sunroom. Howard and Joe spend a lot of time in here. It's a beautiful room with a lot of natural daylight. They come in here to have their morning cup of coffee, read the newspaper, and so we really want it to be a room that kind of feels like camping and just come and enjoy the sun. Let me have you come and see a little peek of what we did in the powder room. We wanted to bring a lot of mysterious black dark vibe in here, very hotel powder room sort of feel. We brought an Andrew Martin stamped British wallpaper. We added the wainscoting and the millwork in there, as well as brought some interesting graphics on the floor by switching out the tile completely. Tore out the old dungy gross little vanity and put in this beautiful hotel-like long extended vanity and added the mirror and the sconce above for some drama. All right, let's go see the kitchen next. So here we are in the kitchen. One of the things that homeowners do a lot is they think they have to gut their kitchen and spend a lot of money. In this project in particular, we decided to keep the layout, keep the cabinets. We added a beautiful shade of blue from Farrow and Ball, just refinishing the cabinets, changing out the hardware, adding a little bit of drama on the ceiling with more of the slat wood pattern. And the homeowner, Joe, gave me these hilarious plates from an Etsy artist of men in underwear, which was very fitting for the clients. And then I decided to do this word on the wall using penny tile, and it says, "What's cooking, good looking?" Because of course, everybody in the kitchen wants to kiss the chef. So a little bit of fun in the kitchen. Let's go upstairs next. So here we are in the master suite. We really wanted this to be a gentleman's master for Howard and Joe. We actually brought in these vintage doors off of Etsy. and had them be the entry into another room in the home. We actually also brought over our travels a vintage piece of art that we saw in Providence, Rhode Island, of men getting dressed like little gentleman dolls. And I brought it back for Howard and Joe because it really inspired me in the master bedroom design. And we added a bit of this millwork wood paneling as well, just to make sure that we had some visual interest behind the bed, and brought in some modern lighting as well, so that we can still tie in the old world and the new world of this master bedroom. We're gonna go show you Joe's club room next, and we can't wait to show it to you. Here in Joe's private club room. Joe wanted a club room just for himself to get away from it all, so we have a couple of his favorite coffee table books here where he can come in, relax, read a book. He's a composer and he likes to spend some time on the piano. We brought in some Crawford ceilings to bring a nice little Baroque element into the room, and we also brought in this faux ostrich feather pendant to bring a little bit of flair, as much as Joe has a lot of flair. We hope you enjoy it, and we can't wait to show you the rest. So here we are in Joe and Howard's sitting room. When we first saw this room, there was a huge cedar closet taking up most of the already small space. So we tore that out and we put a little bit of a mini bar with some beautiful game boards and some glasses, a little book. We created these custom lights up there, creating 3 different pendants into one to create a little bit of visual interest on the ceiling. And we put a beautiful reclaimed wood shelf under the TV to give a little bit of rustic edge to a relaxing room. Well, that's it. That's a wrap. Thank you so much for walking through our project. We're off to the next one. Look around our website and we would love to hear from you. Have a great one.